Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are back with another video, and in this one, I'm going to show you a new VPN app that helps you get a secure and stable connection while browsing online. This app is called FBD VPN Pro and it's already available on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if something is not clear, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get started. Open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type FBD VPN Pro. From the results, find the correct app by checking its name and icon, then tap Install. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the VPN app. After opening the app, you'll need to make a few simple settings so that it works properly. First, tap on the three lines at the top of the screen, then choose the Update button at the bottom. This will update the app's resources and make sure you get the best performance while using it. Next, tap on the server box. Here, you can select a server that works best in your location. But for the best results, it's recommended to leave it on Auto Select Server, so the app automatically chooses the strongest server for you. After that, tap on the Country Network box. From the list, choose All Network Hysteria UDP. This option works in most countries and helps provide a stable connection. If UDP doesn't work in your country, you can select your own network name from the list. Once everything is set up, tap the Start button to connect. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it connects successfully. That's how you set up and use FBD VPN Pro to get a secure internet connection on your device. Thank you for watching this tutorial and see you in the next video.